expects us to do in order to see that polio is kicked out of the world once and for all. Over to you, Governor.
Thank you, Prasad. Thank you all. Yes, I think we need to do a lot to see that polio is kicked out of the world, as Prasad says. When we started, it was in 125 countries 31 years ago. We have now come to just about 2 or 3 countries, and very shortly we are going to be fully kicking it out. What we need to be doing is 2 things. One is to ensure that in our part of the world, in Bangalore, we do not have any polio. Towards that, we need to work on the immunization days, January 29th and April 2nd, to see that every child below 5 years is immunized with the polio vaccine. The second thing, there are 3 countries now, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Nigeria, where polio is still prevalent, and Rotary is working very hard to ensure that it's taken out from there. And once these 3 countries are free, there would be no incidence of polio, and polio cannot come back unless it comes from any of these 3 countries. So our effort would be to see that the polio is eradicated from these 3 countries, and we support the Rotary activities fully towards these. So first is to ensure that it doesn't come back to Bangalore. The second is to ensure that we support by putting our efforts, by putting our money. We are sending a lot of money to the polio efforts in Nigeria, Pakistan and Afghanistan to ensure that the vaccinations take place there. Right, Prasad?
So you heard what Governor said, but still, each one of us, it is our bounden duty to see that each one of us speaks about the polio eradication program to somebody every day. You get 365 days to do this job, and just don't wait for the 2 days National Immunization Day, which we call Pulse Polio. Of course, that program will run. But the polio program is a 365-day program, and it cannot run unless all of you come together and see that we do this human task. It's not only Rotary. Rotary can't do. Even to clap, you need 2 hands. So we need everybody to join in and see that this thing is done.